Okay, do you want me here? Give me the camera and I'll tape you while you go further. Are we already taping? Holy hell! Look at this! Oh my god! Tyler, look at that! Look! Goes right up to their...
Oh, it's really warm right here. I don't know why, I bet.
Just walk through here, I'd watch it. No, I'm just kidding. That is insane.
It's ridiculous.
Right up to their driveway, I'd be pissed.